What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a great day. Today, we got a really fun video here for you. We're going to check out Caffeine and Octane's Octane Fest event. They're gonna be drifting. We're actually putting the Mustang in its first car show today, which is gonna be cool. They're doing some awards and things like that. Not that I think we're gonna actually get any real rewards in this one, or awards, not rewards. I'm excited to put it in there. So I cleaned it up last night. The car is looking pretty good. Still got everything sitting out here. But yeah, I'm ready, guys. We're gonna go put it in the show. We gotta get there at about 2 p.m. here. There's drifting, there's gonna be food, all sorts of stuff going on throughout the day. And yeah, I'm excited to see what people think of the RTR stuff on the Mustang. Also, if you guys have been watching a couple of my other videos where I discussed some of the issues I've been having with the car, one of them was that clicking sound from the rear end when I'd reverse and go back into drive, and vice versa. I think I fixed it. Believe it or not, I think it was a loose axle nut, guys. I went to Ford, I bought another nut for like $2.33, super cheap. Took the other one off, the stock one, put the axle nut on there and retorqued everything down. It's 98 foot-pounds of torque, and then you gotta do a 45-degree turn with a breaker bar. Let me tell you guys, that 45-degree turn was freaking hard, man. I think I got like 35 degrees out of it, but man, no clicking as of right now. So I will update you guys if that changes, but as of right now, we fixed one of the issues by ourselves. Unfortunately, no help to Ford on that one, but no more clicking in the rear end. We still have the brake pedal thing, but whatever, we'll figure that out eventually. Anyways, we're gonna head over there now. We will see you guys there, and yeah, we'll see how many cars show up. I think it should be pretty cool. All right, let's go. Yeah, in we go. Bum, bum, bum.
All the goods,
Got the goods, drinks.
15 drinks, oh gosh.
Ah.
Sorry, like I said, at least that's water.
At least it's water. Morning, neighbors. Oh, that's fun. Well, we almost made it. Gotta stop for gas. Well, guys, we have made it to Octane Fest. We are currently waiting in the line to get parked and, I don't know, told where to go, I guess. Hello. Car show, yep.
Go up to that second gate up there.
Alrighty, thank you.
No problem.
An off-roading machine here.
Yeah.
Where should I go?
You're right down.
Alright, thank you. Alright, guys, we have made it. Look at that. That is going to be our spot for the day. We got a Terminator, looks like, right next to us, or a Cobra at least. And then we got ours here. Man, the black badging too, just to give you a quick little update there, actually holding up really well. So no issues there so far. Black badging all the way around. But yeah, man, I think it's going to turn out pretty good. There's Megan getting ready. Oh, yeah, no one minds you, so. Yeah, got the RTR stuff on there, so it should be pretty cool. We're gonna go check out some of the cars, but we got about, I don't know, maybe 45 minutes or so until the rest of like the spectators and stuff get here. So I think we got a pretty good spot overall. Before it gets too busy here, let's go take a little walk, I think, and just see what cars we got, I guess, pulled into the show as of right now. So we got this beautiful Cobra here. This thing looks sick as well. We got the Corvette C7. Got some Hondas over there, Acura, another Mustang. We might have to go check that one out. We got another Mustang over here. We got some good stuff showing up here. The Game Warden. Yeah, we got some old stuff. We'll definitely check that out. And we got an old Mustang that's over there too that we'll have to take a look at. That looks pretty cool as well. Ooh, and that's pretty cool, Megan. There you go. That's pretty cool, man. Wow. I love that. The Corona.
That's hilarious.
That is so cool. Oh my God. That's awesome. This is gonna get a lot of attention, I'm sure.
Man, I love talking about it.
Dude, very cool. Oh my God. How long have you had this thing?
Going on 2 years. It took me
2
about
years?
a year to get it back on the road. But
Wow.
I've just been kind of tinkering with it now.
That's really cool.
Trying to kind of button it up, you know.
Yeah, yeah. Now you are a big fan of bugs
Yeah, I
and
do. I
stuff,
love
so, but
Look at the headliner.
the headliner? All right, let's go see. Oh, I see the caps too. Oh my God, that's insane. Really?
Awesome.
How long did that take you to do that, man?
I do one at a time.
Did you really?
Yeah.
I saw them around here, but that
So
is
I drank
crazy.
all these.
Did you?
That was the eBay special.
Okay. That's
There's over
insane.
2,000 bottle caps on that damn thing.
Wow.
It took a minute.
See the doors? They're like
I don't
highway signs.
Oh yeah, they are. Wow, man. Yeah, you got a lot of work into this sucker.
Time, bro.
Yeah.
Just drinking, you know.
Really? That's awesome. Yep, YouTube's a
And
huge
away we
help.
go, man.
That's awesome. Wow, very cool. Well, thanks for showing it, man.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
super cool. I see it all down there too. Man, yeah, this is gonna be a
There's
big
lot
one
of
here.
detail. You got, you know, I mean, every time you come around, oh, look.
I
there's
can
something
see
else.
again, yeah.
Uh-huh.
I saw the wheel, the steering wheel looks cool. Did you make that yourself
I
too?
did, yeah.
Wow.
Did the
There's some
steering wheel,
rod ends there.
made the rack, made the floors.
Jeez.
Awesome.
So when you got this thing, was it just literally like a skeleton
Bro,
and then
it
you
was
just
bad. Well, like the body is pretty much what you see,
Okay.
and the hands were gone, the
Yeah.
channels were gone, this piece was gone.
Wow.
I rusted repair.
Did you?
It was last tagged in '83, and I got
Oh
it
my
years
God.
ago.
Okay.
So
Yeah, definitely.
it was bad. We had to pull it out with a tractor and all that.
Holy cow. Wow. Well, that's a really cool project though. Holy smokes, dude. And I see, is the mirror over there so like you can see
Yeah,
the,
but
I
you
see.
know, like I hate to, like look up, you know.
Yeah, right? Like you have to keep
But
telling
you
people?
still have to tell them. 'Cause they don't
Yeah.
get it, I guess.
That's
Or they don't
crazy.
care. They're like, okay, bottle caps.
I don't know. I think that's pretty unique, man. That's super cool. Yeah, you don't see that stuff like anywhere.
I like the door.
I'll have to look on this side real quick. This is cool. Wow. That is awesome. Yeah, that's a lot of time. I see it right here, man. Cool.
But I mean, I had time.
Hey, well, that's good. That's what it results in, something cool.
It was in the basement. My wife would call it the mistress. 'Cause I'm down there
Did
all
you?
the time, you know.
Yeah,
And
that's awesome. Wow. Well, cool, man.
Cool.
Nice.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I'm sure we'll be back checking it out. So have a good one. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of cool cars here, so we'll continue to check them out. And then I think they'll start drifting probably at 3. We'll check that out too.
That's my favorite.
That's what you should get right
They
there.
should win if there's a competition.
They should. I'll vote for them even though I'm in the show. Oh, Megan she just reminded me, we gotta open our hood so they can see the signatures that we got from T-Pain and Vaughn Gittin Jr. Man, how did I forget that? We gotta do that. Jesus Christ. Okay, there we go, much better. Now people can actually see what it is. We got about an hour and a half, maybe an hour until they start like judging the cars or I guess seeing if we win something. So yeah, crossing my fingers that we get something. Be cool to put on my desk, right? Yeah,
I
right.
voted.
She voted. Yeah, except she voted more for I think that little bug than the Mustang. So
What can I say, you know? It's my favorite.
yeah, it's her favorite. That's okay. I won't judge you for it. But
I voted for you two
you did. You voted for me.
for best
You
in
did.
show.
Best in show. Yeah, I don't know about that, but it's looking pretty good. And I think having the signatures and stuff on the car, that's just pretty cool. I'm sure it's like probably tough for people to put it together, but yeah, I think it's looking pretty good. What do you guys think about the emblems and stuff in black? That's the latest thing, obviously, that we've done to it. I think it looks better, honestly, than the black and chrome that we had before. But you guys let me know. It seems like there's definitely a mixed bag of like if people like that RTR spoiler or not. Some people are like, yeah, they like it. I've overheard some people say like they don't like it, which is fine. It's not for everybody, right? But yeah, what are you guys thinking where we are right now? I think it looks pretty good, but I'm also pretty biased, I'm sure.
Just a smidge.
Just a smidge. right, guys, well, we are nearing the end of the show right now, at least for what we're gonna be. We're gonna be heading out here soon, but awards are going to be kind of given out here in just a few minutes. They're going through, they're tallying up the votes right now, so I don't think we really have a shot at making this, but I don't know. Hey, who knows? We ran into a couple subscribers actually at the show here, which is really cool. Meeting you guys, if you're watching this right now, it was great meeting you. And yeah, we were able to talk about the car a little bit and just meet some cool people. So yeah, we'll know in just a few minutes if we won something or not. Best classic car? That's definitely me. That's definitely us. Best classic. Classic. Best classic. Nope. All right, I didn't win that one. All right. Nope. Hey, that's all right. She's not a classic yet.
I think it was a
Ah. Ooh, that might be that one. 51. All right, that was pretty cool. Best modern. Didn't win that. Makes sense. So they were like best domestic. It's a Mustang, and we were on the edge of our seat. And then it was like number 5. We're 32. So, but it was this guy. It was blue. It was blue. Yeah, it's this one now, which makes sense. Old Mach 1. Pretty cool for sure. Much cooler than the new stuff. I know. Dang. Well, guys, we didn't end up winning, unfortunately, but that's not a big deal. I really didn't think, like I said, we were gonna win anything. But that was super fun. I think that's gonna probably be a wrap for today. They're doing more drifting and stuff like that later on here, and doing some games, but we're always around for that sort of thing, so I think we're probably gonna head out here soon anyway. But yeah, it was super fun. Got to meet some of you guys as well, so that was always great as well. So guys, you guys have a great day. We will catch you in another video. All right, bye.